Hello and welcome to our channel everyone. In this video we will learn how to draw a Santa Claus. On this channel you will learn the easiest drawing methods and how to draw it in a very easy form in your drawing notebook or a chart paper. So here I am done with a Santa Claus. Now we will learn how to draw a delicious thing ever. Yes, what is it? It's a cake. Now, when do you eat a cake? Yes, on a birthdays, on anniversaries, right? So here I'm coloring the cake with my favorite colors and you can color it with your favorite colors. Now this is the drawing with the very easiest way, that is a tree. Yes, and you can color it with your favorite colors. Now in the next video we will learn a scenery. Scenery have a very basic things, that is a house, a fencing, some greeneries, because for our environment greeneries are very necessary, and a sun. I'll go for the coloring part, that is orange. Tree should be of green color. Yes, and now this is my final look of a scenery. See how beautiful it's looking, isn't it? Now in the next video we will learn how to draw a puppy with the help of 6621. See, with the help of numbers we have learned how to draw a very cute puppy. Now in the next we will learn how to draw a mouse with various sides. Yes, mouse with side, top and sitting or lying. You can see here with the help of number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 it was very easy to draw different mouses having different sitting ways. Now here we will learn how to draw a very cute creative thing. So we have folded a paper and now we have drawn this. It's looking so good. Here we will learn how to draw a doll who is having a very long hairs, beautiful gown and having a crown. It must be a fairy, right? Yes, and now we have drawn this. It's looking so good. So in the next video, we will learn how to draw a toothpaste and toothbrush. These two things are we daily use in the morning and while sleeping also. These are very important for our daily routine. Now with the help of many dots, we will draw many people. Yeah. So this was the easiest method to draw this crowd. And now I will end the video. Thank you for watching.